So hey guys, this video is really important. Today we have Apuna with us and we did his surgery almost around 7.5 years back. So a very important follow-up case where you will understand the role of medicine, the timing of medicine, the dosage of medicine. You must have seen patients where finasteride is being pushed at high doses at the beginning of surgery. Here we are going to discuss very important fact: what is the correct time, what is the dosage, what will happen if you don't start the medicine in the beginning of transplant, what will happen if you start at lower doses. All that is you are going to know and understand in this video. So stay tuned and watch till end. Hi Apuna, how are you?
Fine, sir.
So we did your surgery around 7.5 years back.
Yes,
And
exactly.
it was
An FUT.
FUT surgery.
Yeah.
How many grafts we did?
We have done for 1800 grafts.
1800 grafts.
Yeah.
And we did not start any finasteride up till that point.
Yeah.
Now, how many months back did we start your medicine?
We have started the finasteride since last December, and it's going to be almost a year now.
So he's taking 1.5 mg finasteride per week, not 7 mg per week, and we started it after almost 7 years after the surgery.
almost,
So it's almost 8 years now.
Yeah.
You can see there were gaps in these areas where he was thinning. These are transplanted hair, they are staying there, but they can also thin out. So even the transplanted hair were showing some thinning last time when we saw.
Yeah.
Now, what do you feel? What changes have happened after taking the medicine?
There's a lot of improvement. Especially this portion, the crown area, there was a lot of thinning before I started finasteride. So after 3 months, once I started finasteride, there's a lot of changes. But as of now, I think it's much better as we compare before I started finasteride.
So any side effect you had because of
Till now, I didn't find any kind of side effect. I think everything is going well.
And what about the hair fall?
Hair fall, I think as of now, it's totally controlled.
Totally controlled.
Yeah.
Okay. As we can see in this portion, a lot of hair are there, and this portion has grown these thinner hair, which you can see over here. They are thicker now, and the area seems more covered. But we could have given him 1 mg finasteride per day also at this point of time. So let's talk about the timing of the medicine. We could have started this medicine at the beginning of transplant also, but I am really not sure whether this medicine would have kept working for this big period of around 7-8 years. So we started it after 7 years, which is again a good thing because we did not put the load on his body. Second, about the dosage. This time around also we could have given him 1 mg finasteride per day, but we did not give this. So we have kept him on maybe 1/5, 1/6 the dosage, which is helping him pretty well. So obviously, if I give him 1 mg finasteride per day, it will help him for 5-6 times more. As you know that the effect of medicine is almost directly proportional to the dosage. If you don't know, see this picture where we are showing the effect of 1 mg finasteride, and then when the dose was reduced to half, it is gone half. So you can see. Now, since we did not get his hairline very low at the beginning, like the transplant which we did 8 years back, it's good. He has donor. Since we did FUT, he still has a good donor where we can do another FUT or can do FUE as well. 1 year back, he could have gone to some place there. They would have told him, okay, we can do 4,000 grafts, we'll fill this up, and started him on 1 mg finasteride per day. What would have happened? This entire portion would have got filled. He would have been taking 1 mg finasteride per day, 7 mg per week, and maybe might have been robbed of his donor 4,000, 5,000 grafts. We don't know. He would have lost his money. So every redo case is not a repair case. For example, his case won't count as a repair case if we do fill in these portions. So now, in case we want more filling, either there are 3 options. One, we can increase the dose of medicine to maybe around 2.5 mg per week. Second, we can do a small transplant in these areas as everything is stable and has improved. Third, we can do a scalp micropigmentation around this area to make this area look more elusively black. So all these options are there, but it is good to have options. When you choose everything on extreme, you don't have options. And people will push maybe these extreme things, because no everyone wants to have hair for long period, and but that's not reality. If you don't plan it right, you won't get it right. Okay, so planning is so crucial. His method, number of grafts which we consumed in the first surgery, his donor is still intact. You can see everything according to planning. Now he is on very small dose of finasteride. Probably with this dose we can continue with maybe another 5-6 years. Let's see. So we'll keep updating you, and if you have questions, please do ask. Thank you. Love yourself. Stay blessed.